Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetstips.com and today we are going to do a quick camera review and a gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy J5. I have been using this phone for approximately 24 hours and I'm pretty happy with the overall performance this device actually has given to me. In terms of the gaming performance, it is not so great, and I have tested this one with different games which I have installed, including some high definition heavy games and some casual games as well. We are going to find out whether this device is good in terms of the camera department or whether it is good in terms of the gaming department. Especially for gaming, one thing which I can tell you, that gaming is not so great as far as experience is concerned. This device is not meant for heavy gaming, but you can play high definition games and most of the casual games will run perfectly fine on this device without any issues. So let's start with the review and we will talk about the camera and the gaming part, both of them in this video. Let's start with the camera performance, and for that we need to launch the camera interface. Here it is. This is how the camera interface look like. It has almost all the options you would need while using this device. As far as for videography or photography is concerned, we have the option to control the flash over here. You can enable the timer in case you would like to do that. You have different kind of real-time effects which you can apply before taking the photo. You can actually find out how does it look like with these effects, and we can also access settings which includes the picture size over there, which is 9.6 megapixel for 16:9 aspect ratio, and you can take 13 megapixel photos as well with 4:3 aspect ratio. You can record high definition video at full high definition resolution, that is 100p, and also at 720p. Both of these resolutions are supported. We have different kind of grid launch. You can also launch the camera by double pressing the home button, and you can launch the camera from anywhere. Let's come back and show you what all modes we have, and these are the different kind of modes which are supported. We have a pro mode in which you can control the white balance, ISO and other things as well. Talking about the panorama mode, you do have panorama mode supported, and we have a continuous shooting mode as well, in which you can hold the camera and take the pictures continuously and clip them together to make a short slow motion movie. We have beautification mode as well on this device. We have sound and shot mode, and the last mode is the sport mode. Especially for objects which are moving, you can use this mode. So overall, in terms of the quality, you can expect very good quality photos from the rear camera in low light as well as in daylight. This is one photo which we have taken of this Superman, and again, as you can see, this photo is looking good in terms of the overall clarity you can expect. The colors are also nicely produced, I would say, and details are not at all missing, which is good. But if we take a look over this photo has been taken with some artificial light, whereas if we take the same photo without artificial light, this is how it looks like. And in this one, you can see that the details are not that good. So clarity is there, but it is not that clear as it was in the earlier photo. But overall, this photo is looking nice. We have also taken some other samples from this phone. We have taken a video sample as of now, and this is the video sample which I took at evening time from this phone from the front camera, and you can expect good quality of front camera video.
Today we are recording this video from the front camera on Samsung Galaxy J5. Right now it is evening time and we do not have much amount of light, but still this is the kind of clarity you can expect.
So both the clarity of the video as well as the audio clarity is good, I would say, which is good. Let me just come back and show you some more photos. And this is another video which we have captured from the rear camera. One thing which I've noticed,
gadgetstips.com, and today we are recording this video from the rear camera on Samsung Galaxy J5. And as you can see, right now we are recording this video at evening time. So it is not proper daylight, but good amount of light is there.
so one thing which I have noticed as far as the rear camera is concerned, that it has focusing issues, especially if you do not tap on the screen, it may not focus at times. This is one photo which we have taken in daylight, and as you can see, this photo is looking good. But if you zoom in, I was expecting good amount of details with this action figure, but it was not there. The camera did not focus well, but in this case it has focused well, and I can see good amount of details for this action figure, which is the Superman. And we do have other camera samples as well. So this is all we have as far as the quick hands-on review of the camera of the Samsung Galaxy J5. We like the camera on this phone. I would say for the price, they are giving a good camera at the back which can take good photos, provided you actually tap on the screen and do the focusing properly. Otherwise the photos may come out to be blurred. In terms of the details and the color production, it was good enough even in low light, which is good. So overall, this is a good device as far as camera is concerned, both from the rear camera department as well as from the front camera department. Do let us know if you have any specific question for this phone. We would love to help you. You can like this video help you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.